how to create a auto caption in CapCut. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can create a auto caption on CapCut. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. For adding caption, firstly open the CapCut. So when you will open the CapCut, here is the option of new project. So click on new project. So after this you can see here your videos. So select any video from which you add caption. So after click on add, so you can see your video is adding. So after this, here is the options of captions at the bottom side. So after this, here you can see generate from. So click on it and select your spoken language. So you can also select auto because my spoken language is English, so that's why I selected English. So after this you can see here template option. So select any template. So after this selecting template, here is the option of generate. So click on generate. So you can see caption is generating. So you can see caption is generated. So when I will play this video, so you can see it will show like this. So guys, in this way you can add captions in any video. If this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.